Operations research, OR in short, is a new discipline that uses mathematical models, statistical methods, and algebraic theory to support decision-making. Operations research, which means research on operations in English, emphasizes the application of tactics. While Chinese scholars use the word operation research, Yuanchao, from the sentence master's strategy in the army tent. And when in 1,000 miles away in historical records as the name of this discipline. It emphasizes the strategical significance of decision-making. The origin of operations research can be traced back to a long time ago, and there are many records in Chinese history. For example, the famous story of Tianji's horse racing, and Dingwei's restoration of the imperial palace in the Northern Song dynasty. Both instances contain some ideas of operations research. There are also many records of such results in these fields in other countries. For example, in 1736, Euler solved the famous problem of the 7 bridges of Königsberg. In 1909, in order to solve the problem of queuing and congestion in automatic telephone switching system, A.K. Erlang put forward the queuing theory. And in 1915, F.W. Harris deduced the formula of economic order quantity, etc. However, due to the low level of productivity, these ideas and methods are only applied to individual problems spontaneously and sporadically without forming a systematic scientific method. Since its birth in the World War II, OR has played an important role in the economic and social development and has made outstanding contributions to the whole world. Just like its name, operations research embodies the idea of strategic planning and compounding in the most authentic and complete way. It usually analyzes a problem and processes the data, then describes the problem of mathematical model or computer model, and then selects the existing appropriate software or self-made program to solve the problem. It always uses the concepts and methods of optimization to consider, analyze, and finally solve the practical problems. Therefore, in the development of modern economy and society, the applications of OR are more and more extensive. From the optimal decision of enterprise production to the control of urban pollution, from the allocation of military resources to the aerospace program, from individual development decision to the control of human development, all of these are permitted with the ideas and methods of operations research. The course will systematically explain the basic principles and methods of operations research, guide students to solve problems on the computers, and combine personal research and group discussion for real case problems to cultivate students' optimization ideas overall, so that students can master some common OR models and understand the role of them in solving problems in the field of economic management. Students are also expected to master the methods and skills of modern practical problems, to use computer software to solve the learned OR models, to analyze and prove the solution results. Through the study of this course, students' ability to use OR knowledge to put forward and solve problems in the face of practical background is cultivated, and the ability to combine theory with practice is obviously improved.